Hey guys, this is James from Mesa Blades Custom Knives. I just got done with these two beautiful skinners, and here custom leather work, custom handle. Look how shiny that is. And they are razor sharp. You can shave with that blade. If I sell you a blade and it doesn't shave, there's something wrong. Every one of my blades leave my shop, and they're sharp enough to shave with. But yeah, would like me to make you a custom knife? Just message me on Facebook or TikTok, and we'll work something out. Y'all have a good day.